Welcome to another unboxing video on Sam's watch review. Besides cool budget digital models, Casio also makes good-looking basic Ana-Digi watches, and this is one of them. Inside the box, we get the manual for module 5156 and the warranty card. And here is the watch, the Casio AW-90. It is a small to medium-sized watch with a 38.6mm diameter. This is the 7EV variant with a simple white dial. On the outer bezel, we can see some of the main features mentioned: alarm, chronograph, and 50 meters water resistance. It looks nice and simple with a black case, black resin strap, and a white dial with hour and minute hands. The dial uses printed markers instead of applied markers. However, it looks neat and fits the simple, low-profile, budget-friendly design very well. It is not trying to look like something more expensive. There is a small digital display at the 6 o'clock position. The digits are quite small, similar to models like the AQ230 and AW-48. However, the contrast is acceptable and easy enough to read. The watch comes with a resin strap and a plastic buckle with the Casio logo on it. The strap is attached to the case with about a 50 to 60 degree curve. It looks decent without being too flashy. On the underside of the strap, there are small channels that help airflow and reduce the sticky feeling on the wrist. Now let's take a look at the digital functions. It has time mode, calendar mode, alarm, dual time, stopwatch, and then back to time mode. My unit has loom on the hour and minute hands. The loom is not very strong, but it seems to help a little in dark conditions. And here is how it looks on my wrist. It is very slim, simple, easy to wear, and budget friendly. With 50 meters of water resistance, it is a basic Ana-Digi watch that does exactly what it is supposed to do. I will make a more detailed review soon. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.